Alright guys, I got a 2018 Nissan Rogue. We're gonna replace the cabin filter. So cabin filter I have here under the hood. So I'm also gonna be changing the engine air filter, which is right there. But let's go work on this cabin filter. So this part number on this baby right here. Okay, Napa. You're gonna find this filter from the Napa. So we're gonna go inside the vehicle, make sure everything is off, and I'm gonna get a knee pad. Okay, so we got our cabin filter. This is what this look like. So it has an air sign symbol right there, which way you're gonna put. That's the airflow. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here. This is one of those crazy filter spots that Nissan makes. So you're right down here. So to take this guy off, what you want to do here is you want to get this lid off. So to take off this lid, you just grab this little guy right here and you just pull on it and it comes right off. Once it comes off, hopefully we have the correct filter, because this filter looks different. You just grab the filter. It's gonna get really dirty in here and the filter is breaking up. Thanks to Nissan, your whole rug will get dirty. So there's the filter. So there's an airflow sign. So you see how there's a sign right there. So this baby was sitting just like that. So you're gonna have to put the airflow going this way. So if you want to vacuum this, you can vacuum this, but everything just came out of there. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna follow the arrows right there, which is gonna be like this. And we're gonna take this filter, we're gonna stick it back into the spot. Shouldn't be too difficult to do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to give it a sport right from away. Put your finger in it. Once you give it a little bit of sport, you're gonna push this side in. Watch this. So once this side goes in, just like that, it's gonna look like a little flower. And after that, you should be able to tuck the whole filter in. You have to bring this side back down, and that's it. Only thing I never understood is you will never know if your filter sat correctly in there. You only could look in here, and that's it. And you take your cover here, grab the cover. So this cover is like that. This is the bottom part. You stick this baby in here and it clicks right on. Okay, I got it wrong. It's like this. Okay, never mind. That's it. Should click on just like that, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom, you're all set. Thank you for watching. You know what? Let's continue the video with the air filter for the engine.